Hey, I'm Claudia from Domain Photography, and I just finished Jillian's course, Art and Heart Photography. And I just wanted to hop on and let you in on what I learned, and that was quite a lot. Yeah, I'm so happy I found her. She's just a very warm-hearted person. She helps you whenever, wherever she can. She will cheer on you. She will share all of her knowledge. She will teach you everything she knows, and she's amazing at teaching, given the fact that she was a teacher before. Yeah, it was basically like having a mentor for like 5 or 6 weeks, and she was there for every step of the way. She lets you in on everything, all her secrets, everything that she learns. She just basically keeps giving to her students. So it was an amazing experience. She teaches you on how to do the social media strategies, the marketing, the diving into your own story, the doing the shooting, which happens to be a big part in our business. Yeah, I was just really happy, and I felt pampered, and I'm well prepared to finally start that business that I have been dreaming of for basically years now. So thank you, Jillian, for all your help and your ongoing support, and I wish you all the best and good luck with all the projects that are coming to you in the future.